Assalamu alaikum everybody and traders and investors around the world. My name is Danish Mohammed, come from Mohammed and Co. And today I trade Kavana and TJTX, which is both gapping down more than 8% due to prior day. So let's look at Kavana right here. Kavana is trending lower due to the 5 minutes time frame, and for the 1 minute at the open right here, this is three two this is, I believe, 3 minutes after the open. You can see the spike up at the $36.22 level, and I expected to have a rejection at the 200 EMA, which will open an opportunity for me for a short entry. As you can see right here, the candle is hella crazy. It has a lot of volatility, and that's why for my own rule, when it comes to trading, I never enter within the first 5 minutes, especially when Kavana is clarified as a meme stock on Wall Street. So that's one of the reasons why I'm not gonna enter immediately when the market just open. So you can see right here, the next candle, it has a nice pushing off down there, and I expected to have an entry after a pullback. And as you can see right here, I'm just setting a buy limits at $34 strike price, but unfortunately it doesn't getting filled for me at 150 contract, and I'm still waiting, and I'm still trying so hard to get in the position right here. And I expect that I will take the first move to take the recent low at the 5 minutes candle. As you can see right here, the price is below the VWAP, which I expect that the price gonna move up to the VWAP and it's gonna drop down as my expectation. And at this candle right here is the candle that I'm about to get filled, if I'm not mistaken. And you can see it's rejecting really hard for the seller side, and the price is about to move up to the VWAP and possibly the 50 days EMA, and I'm about to get filled on Kavana within seconds. Let's see. Yep, I just get filled 135 contract puts at $34 strike price, and I expected Kavana to drop massively today because for the past few days the short sellers are being squeezed out of the trade, and the yesterday trade, it has a doji candlestick, which I'm expected the price to drop down. You can see right here is TJTX, which is also one of the stocks that in my watch list today, which is also gapping down more than 8%. And same same concept, right? It's a V shape. The buyer's trying to push the price up, and then the seller's gonna come in and take the part. So you can see right here, I just entered 20 contracts of TJTX, and I believe that I'm about to add another 15 contract on this trade. And I expect that TJTX gonna take down the $22 level, which is even. Everybody loves even numbers, right? And right now, my 15 auto contract just been added on TJTX, and I expected both to move down massively right now. And I expected TJTX to take down the 22 levels and possibly take the pre-market low. So right now, Kavana is going really bad. It's going opposite my direction. But currently at the 1 minute candle, I have seen the shadow candlestick, as I would say so. So which shows me that the sellers are being rejected. And the next candle after that shadow candle, right? It has the massive volume of sellers pushing down, as you can see right here. The other two candle after that candle, it's moving down massively, and I might take some partial off at the recent 5 minutes low. As you can see right here, the price is currently rejecting the VWAP level, which shows me a great confirmation that this company or this stocks in general gonna take down the low, and hopefully it's gonna take down also the pre-market low as I expected. and any signs of a pullback after it's gonna took out the low. Right after that, I will take some partial or maybe a full position off when it has a pullback. You can see right here the price are kind of choppy for the last 5 minutes, as I would say. And you can see right here, after it hit the VWAP, it's dropping down massively, which when I look at the order book, right, there's a huge sellers at the order book that's trying to sell this kind of stuff. And right here, as you can see right here, it's already smashed the 5 minutes low, and I expected to take some profit right here and right now. Any sign of a pullback, I will take some profit off. You can see right here, it's the last candle. It was kind of choppy for like a couple minutes, and the candle before that, right, there's a showing that, well, sellers are being rejected because it's a meme stock. Carvana is a meme stock, and you shouldn't stay in this stock for like hold it for the whole day. You can see right here, this is the time when I'm talking to myself that, hey Danish, it's time to get some profit off. And you can see right here on the screen, I'm just putting a sell limits on Carvana, 165 contracts, and I'm still waiting for me to get filled, but unfortunately I couldn't get filled at the moment. And I was kind of afraid that the stock might go the opposite way as I expected. But currently, right now, psychologically, me at this moment right here, I was expecting the stock might drop down and take the low of the day, but it's not. It's coming out as sellers are being rejected a lot, and they're showing some bias trend right here. And at this moment right here, I'm currently re-enter the sell limits to take some of my profits off. Right now at this moment, I believe that I'm about to get filled. Meme stock is always dropping like crazy, and it has a bunch of volatility for, let's just say, the beginner. If they trade this stock right here, well, their heartbeats are gonna be crazy. So right now I believe that this candle right here, I'm gonna take my whole position off because I don't want to stay in this trade for much longer. And I just getting a win of 2.7 grand for today, and only for Carvana stocks. Okay, let's move down to TJTX. TJTX dropping down as I expected, and it just took out the $22 level. And as you can see right here on the screen, I'm just setting a sell limits, 35 contracts for TJTX. And any sign of the pullback right here, that I'm gonna take my whole position off right here. As you can see, it's just create a new high on the 1 minute charts, and the price is dropping down to the 9 EMA to retest the level, but it's not working out right here. And I believe that within a couple minutes later, my position gonna get filled. Right now at this moment right here, after there's a huge rejection, right, the price is dropping up back again, which is kind of which today is kind of drive me nuts about two of the stocks that not having a clear movement. But alhamdulillah, I'm still making a green. I'm still making money today. A green is a green. We cannot complain about anything. Be grateful about our life without anything. So right here at the 1 minute candle, right, the stocks is rejecting hard at the 50 EMA level, and I'm just getting filled. So for today, I made 3.5 grand for today. And well, we cannot complain about anything. A win is still a win, and a green day is still a green day, but it cannot compare to the other day, which I post on YouTube, that I made 5.5 grand. So hopefully you guys gonna enjoy this video about my recap, and please comment and smash the like, and also subscribe to my channel.